Okay, I'm going to show you how to make a very simple sound effect. It'll be the sound of a rattlesnake. We'll be using multi-track recording software. In this case, it's Sony Acid Pro, but you could probably use Sony Acid or many other types of multi-track recording software to make this sound effect. And we're going to use pink noise that we downloaded from the internet as sort of the raw sound that we'll shape into the rattlesnake sound. The main thing that we're going to do to the pink noise first is use a resonant filter plugin here that's in the software to pull a peak up out of the pink noise to get the tone we need. On the screen you'll see the settings for that resonant filter. It's going to resonate around 7.2 kilohertz. And here we see the pink noise clip that we got off the internet. It's a stereo clip, that's why you see two waveforms. But notice the blue line that's going up and down, and it does it rapidly. That is sort of the trick to making this work. That blue line is an automated volume envelope. In most multi-track recording software, you can automate your volume envelope. Now, without doing anything else, this is the sound you'll get with just what we've done so far. And to make the rattlesnake rattle sound a little more realistic, we have to realize that the rattlesnake's rattle is really small, so let's limit the bandwidth a little further with another filter. We'll just use a second plug-in filter, and this is just a simple graphic equalizer. Now, in that resonance filter, you noticed that we peaked it around 7,000 cycles. Well, we're just playing it by ear on this second filter. Now, the first filter, the resonance filter, wasn't set for really steep settings, so there's still plenty of sound left just below 5,000 cycles, and we just play it by ear on the second filter. So here's the final result, and this would work fine in a low-budget movie or an advertisement.